Brian Gambardella here with MarineMax of Huntington. Today I'm on a new trade-in, a 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Looking here on the transom here, the customer had sea deck put in, which is really nice. A little bit of measuring if you want to do a little fishing. Standard on this boat, you got a nice swim step here, so lower that in, easy in and out of the water. Really nice sun pad here, cup holders, ample. Got a little charging port back there. Got nice large storage under here. This could convert like that if you want to ride when the boat is running. Tucks you into the back a little bit so you don't slide off the back. Your fuel fill is located on the aft starboard side. We do have a freshwater wash down here. A little bit of a cooler to keep the drinks nice in the back. When you want to go in and out of the water and have a drink, you don't have to drag the salt water and sand through the cockpit. A little more forward, you do have a sink here, which is nice. Again, more cup holders. Got a bracket here for a table. Very large dry storage in the mid cockpit. Got nice grab rails all around here, so your passengers, if it is a rough ride, get caught in some weather, you got something to grab onto, which is always helpful. You do have a tower here. This tower can fold down if you need clearance for a bridge. You have reversible helm and passenger backrests here. So when you want to expand your cockpit area, simply move these forward or back. This boat does have a pump out vacuum flush head, and there's a sink in there as well. A nice dry storage here for your phone, your wallet, your keys. Got a Raymarine display. This boat does have around 440 hours on it. All your important, your windlass, your bilge blower, your lights are on these toggle switches here. Also a VHF radio, which is nice to have. Just under our helm area, this is where your tables are stowed. You have a nice bow block-off door here. So now in any weather, you can seal the wind and rain off from here, stay below the windshield, be protected as you can. So coming forward, you'll see your forward seating bracket for the table. You have two armrests on these loungers, which is really nice. And this is access to your windlass if you have to do it manually for whatever reason, or you need to service it. It's very easily accessible from up here. If you find yourself anchoring in some mud or some unfamiliar place and you got shells, rocks, things like that, you do have a washdown for that up here as well. That concludes our walkthrough of our 27 Sea Ray 270 SDX trade-in. If you're interested in this boat or would like to learn more, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.